Exercise 2.7. First question, 0.4 divided by 2. So 0.4 means nothing but a 4 by 10. Inverse of division is multiplication. So instead of division you have to write into symbol. So reciprocal of 2 will be 1 by 2, because when you're taking inverse of division as a multiplication, then you should take a divisor reciprocal. So we will write in next step 4 by 10 into 1 by 2. So there is a common factors in numerator and denominator. So you can consider 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. We got here numerator is 2, so 2 into 1 is 2, and here denominator is 1, so 10 into 1 is 10. So 2 by 10 nothing but a 0.2. You can verify your answer by dividing this 2 from 10. So next we can move for question number 2 here. 0.35 divided by 5. So 0.35 means nothing but a 35 by 100. Inverse of division is multiplication and reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. So here we can cancel 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35. So in this numerator we got 7. So 7 into 1 is 7, and here denominator is 1 because we took here 5 ones are. So 100 into 1 is 100. So 7 by 100 means nothing but a 0.07. Next we move for question number 3 here. 2.48 divided by 4. So 2.48 means 248 by 100. Inverse of division is a multiplication. The reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. So we can cancel here 4 ones are 4 6 are 24 and 4 2s are 8. So we got here 62 numerator. 62 into 1 is 62, and denominator will be 1 here because 4 ones are we took here. So 100 into 1 is 100. 62 by 100 means 0.62. Next we move for question number 4 here. So 65.4 divided by 6. 65.4 means 654 by 10 into 1 by 6, because inverse of division is multiplication and reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6. So then here we can cancel 6 ones are, and here 6 ones are 6. Next 54 remain. So here 5 is less than 6. We can take 6 zeros are. Then again 5 you get. Then take this 4 down. It will be 54. So then 6 nines are 54. So we got here 6 ones are and 6 109s are 654. So 109 into 1 is 109. So denominator is 1. So 10 into 1 is 10. So 109 by 10 nothing but a 10.9. So we can move for question number 5 here. So in question number 5, so given question is 651.2 divided by 4. So 651.2 will be written as 6512 divided by 10. Inverse of division multiplication. Reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. So you can cancel here 4 ones are. Here 6 is there. So 4 ones are 4. In this 2 remain 25 it will be. Then 4 6 are 24. Then 1 remain, it will be 11. So 4 2s are 8. Then 3 remain 32. Then 4 8s are 32. So we got here in this numerator place 1628. So 1628 into 1 is 1628. This will be written in decimal number 162.8. Next we move for question number 6 here. Given question is 14.49 divided by 7. So 14.49 in fraction form 1449 by 100, because after point 2 digits in decimal form, so denominator place should be 100. So inverse of division is multiplication and reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. So you can cancel as 7 ones are, 7 2s are 14. Next 4 is there, so 7 zeros are 0. Then 4 should be taken down, and next 9 also will be down. Then it will be 49. Then 7 sevens are 49. So we got in numerator place 207 here. 207 into 1 is 207. Here we cancel 7 ones are no. So here only 1 remain in denominator place. 100 into 1 is 100. So the decimal form of this 207 by 100 is 2.07. Next we move for question number 7 here. So given question is 3.96 divided by 4. 3.96 fraction form is 396 by 100. Inverse of division is multiplication and reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. So then here cancel, 4 ones are 4 nines are 36. So only 3 remain, again it will be 36, 4 nines are 36. So we got here numerator place 99, 99 into 1 is 99, denominator is 1 here, so 1 into 100 is 100. So decimal form of 99 by 100 is 0.99. So 8th one, 0.80 divided by 5, 0.80 fraction form is 80 by 100, and the inverse of division is a multiplication and reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. So you can consider 5 ones are here. In 8, 5 subtract means 3 remain, it will be 30. Then 5 6 are 30. So we got here a numerator is 16. So 16 into 1 is 16, and you cancel here 5 ones are, so it will be 1 remain. 1 into 100 is 100. So 16 by 100, its decimal form is 0.16. Next we move for question number 2 here. In second main, given questions are 4.8 divided by 10. So this will be written as 4.8 by 10. So when you dividing any number from 10, then in a decimal form, one digit will move after decimal point. So 4.8 by 10 will be written as 0.48. So second question, 52.5 divided by 10. So this will be written as 52.5 by 10. 2 will be moved after decimal point. Then your answer is 5.25. So third question, 0.7 divided by 10, 0.7 by 10. So here 0 will move after decimal point. So answer is 0.07. Fourth one, 33.1 divided by 10. So 33.1 by 10, 3 will move after decimal point. So answer is 3.31. Next we move for question number 5. 272.23 divided by 10. So 273.23 by 10. Here 2, which is one place, will move after decimal point. So answer is 27.223. So sixth one, 0.56 divided by 10. 0.56 divided by 10 will be written as 0.056 because these Jews move after decimal point. So seventh one is 3.97 divided by 10. It will be written as 3.97 by 10. So these 3 moves after decimal point. So answer is 0.397. So in third question, there is divisor is 100. So after decimal point, there should be 2 digits will move. So 2 digits will move after decimal point. Okay. So first question is given 2.7 divided by 100. It will be written as 27 by 10 into 1 by 100. So 10 into 100 is 1000. 27 into 1 is 27. So 27 by 1000. Here after 3 zeros is there. There should be 3 digits after decimal point. So 27 by 1000 will be written as 0.027. Next second question, 0.3 divided by 100. So 0.3 will be 3 by 10 into 1 by 1000. 3 into 1 is 3, 10 into 100 is 1000. So it will be written as 0.003 because after 3 zeros, so after point 3 digits. Third one, 0.78 divided by 100. So here 0.78 means nothing but a 78 by 100. Inverse of division is a multiplication. 100 is 1 by 100. 78 into 1 is 78. 100 into 100 is 10,000. So the decimal form of 78 by 10,000 is 0.0078. Fourth one is 432.6 divided by 100. 432.6 fraction form is 4,326 by 10. Inverse of division is a multiplication and reciprocal of 100 is 1 by 100. So here 4,326 into 1 is 4,326. 10 into 100 is 1000 and The decimal form of 4326 by 1000 is 4.326. Next, we can take fifth main, 23.6 divided by 100. 23.6 fraction form is 236 by 10 into 100 is 1 by 100, because the inverse of division is a multiplication and reciprocal of 100 is 1 by 100. So 236 into 1 is 236, 10 into 100 is 1000. So here, if you divide this 236 from 1000, we get 0.236, and it is a decimal form of this fraction. And then sixth one is 98.53 divided by 100. 98.53 fraction form is 9853 divided by 100, and inverse of division is a multiplication and reciprocal of 100 is 1 by 100. If you multiplying this, we get here 9851, and 100 into 100 is 10,000, and decimal form of this is 0.9853. Next, we can solve question number 4. Here divisor is given 1000, so we have to solve as well as 10 and 100 we solved in previous main. So 7.9 divided by 100, 7.9 nothing but a 79 by 10 into inverse of division is multiplication, so reciprocal of 1000 is 1 by 1000. 79 into 1 is 79, 10 into 1000 is 10,000. So decimal form of this 79 by 10,000 is 0.0079. Next, second one, 26.3 divided by 1000. 26.3 fraction form is 263 by 10, and inverse of division is a multiplication and reciprocal of 1000 is 1 by 1000. 263 into 1 is 263, 10 into 1000 is 10,000. So a decimal form of this 263 by 10,000 is 0.0263. Next, we move for question number 3 here. Given question is 38.53 divided by 1000. 38.53 fraction form is 3853 by 100. Inverse of division is multiplication and reciprocal of 1000 is 1 by 1000. So 3853 into 1 is 3853. 100 into 1000 is 1 lakh. So a decimal form of this 3853 by 1 lakh will be 0.03853. So here after 1 there are 5 zeros, so after point there should be 5 digits, so after point 03853 is written. So fourth one, 128.9 divided by 1000. The fraction form of 128.9 is 1289 by 10, and inverse of division is a multiplication and reciprocal of 1000 is 1 by 1000. So we multiplying numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 1289 into 1 is 1289, and 10 into 1000 is 10,000. So if you divide this numerator from denominator, you'll get 0.1289. In short form, we wrote by seeing a denominator after 1 how many zeros are there. There are 4 zeros, so we wrote here after point 4 digits. So fifth question, 0.5 divided by 1000. 0.5 nothing but a 5 by 10, and inverse of division is a multiplication and reciprocal of 1000 is 1 by 1000. 5 into 1 is 5, 10 into 1000 is 10,000. So if you divide this, you get 0.0005. Next, we move for question number 5 here. Find 7 divided by 3.5. So here 7 is the dividend, we can write as it is, and inverse of division is multiplication. So before that, we will write this 3.5 from decimal form to fraction form. So 7 divided by 35 by 10. So next we write this 7 as it is, and inverse of division is multiplication, and reciprocal of 35 by 10 is 10 by 35. So there is a common factors of 7 and 35. We can cancel here 7 ones are, 7 5s are. So here numerator place 1 and denominator place 5. So it will be written as 10 by 5. 10 by 5 nothing but a 2 because 5 ones are, 5 2s are 10. Next we move for question number 2 here. So given question is 36 divided by 0.2. So take this fraction form of 0.2, it will be 2 by 10. Then 36 dividend we can write as it is, and inverse of divisor is multiplication, and reciprocal of 2 by 10 is 10 by 2. So there is a common factors in numerator and denominators. 2 ones are and 2 18s are can cancel. So 18 into 10 is 180. Next third question, 3.25 divided by 0.5. So its fraction form is 325 by 100 and 0.5 fraction form is 5 by 10. So we can write dividend as it is, 325 by 100, and inverse of division is multiplication, and reciprocal of 5 by 10 is 10 by 5. So we can cancel here common factors. Here 10 ones are, 10 tens are, here 10 remain in denominator place. Here 5 ones are, 5 6 are 30, and 25 remain, 5 5s are. So we get here 65 in numerator place. So here denominator place 10. So 65 into 1 is 65 and 10 into 1 is 10. We got here 65 by 10. So its decimal form is 6.5. Next we move for fourth question. 30.94 divided by 0.7. 30.94 fraction form is 3094 by 100 divided by 0.7 fraction form is 7 by 10. So then 3094 by 100 is a dividend, we can write as it is, and inverse of division is multiplication, and reciprocal of 7 by 10 is 10 by 7. So multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. If possible there is any common factor, we can cancel. Here 10 ones are and 10 tens are can cancel. We got denominator is 10 and here numerator is 1. So we can cancel here 7 ones are, 7 fours are, so 28. So in this 2 remain, again 29 will be, again 7 4s are 28, then 1 remain 14, then 7 2s are. So finally 7 1s are, 7 4 42s are 3094. So 442 into 1 is equal to 442. Here 10 remain, 10 into 1 is 10. So we got here fraction form of given 442 by 10. Its decimal form is 44.2. Next we can take fifth question, 0.5 divided by 0.25. So fraction form of these two numbers, 0.5 is 5 by 10 and 0.25 is 25 by 100. Then dividend we can write as it is, which is 5 by 10, and reciprocal of this division is multiplication, and inverse of 25 by 100 is 100 by 25. So cancel common factors. 5 ones are, 5 4s will cancel. Here 5 remain, here 1 remain, and here 10 ones are, 10 tens are. So 1 into 10 is 10 and 1 into 5 is 5. 10 by 5 nothing but 2. Next sixth question, given 7.75 divided by 0.25. 7.75 fraction form is 775 by 100 and 0.25 fraction form is 25 by 100. So dividend will be written as it is. Inverse of division is multiplication, and reciprocal of 25 by 100 is 100 by 25. So 100 get cancelled. Here 25 ones are, 25 3s are 75. In these two remain, then 25 will be, then 25 ones are 25. So we got here 31 into 1 is 31. In denominator place both side 1. So required answer is 31. So seventh question, 76.5 divided by 0.15. Fraction form 765 by 10 divided by 15 by 100. So we have to take inverse of division is multiplication, and reciprocal of divisor is 100 by 15. So we can cancel here common factors. 10 ones are, 10 tens are, and here 15 ones are, 15 5s are 75. Then here 1 remain and it is 15, then 15 ones are. We got here numerator is 51 into this numerator is 10. 51 into 10 is 510. Take 8th one, So given question is 37.8 divided by 1.4. So their fraction forms are 378 by 10 divided by 14.10. Then take inverse of division as a multiplication, and reciprocal of 14 by 10 is 10 by 14. So 10 get cancelled here. 14 ones are 14 twos are 28. In this 37 you subtracting 28, you get here 9. So 98 remain. So 14 sevens are 98. So we got here 27 in the numerator place. Here 1 is there. So 27 into 1 is 27. So next we move for question number 9 here. 2.73 divided by 1.3. Their fraction form is 273 by 100 divided by 13 by 10. So then 273 divided by 100, inverse of division is multiplication, and 13 by 10 is 10 by 13. 10 ones are 10 tens are get cancelled. Here 13 ones are 13 twos are 26. 1 remain here, 13 remain. So 13 ones are 13. 21 by 10. Its decimal form is 2.1. So next we move for question number 6 here, which is the last question in this exercise. So given question is a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it covers in 1 liter of petrol? So should write given here in 2.4 liters of petrol. Distance covered by the vehicle is 43.2 km. You should find out what is the distance will be covered in 1 liter of petrol. So that will be written as, therefore in 1 liter of petrol, distance covered by the vehicle is 43.2 divided by 2.4. So their fraction forms 432 by 10 divided by 24 by 10. So dividing 432 by 10, and inverse of division is multiplication, and reciprocal of 24 by 10 is 10 by 24. So 10 get cancelled. So 24 ones are 24. 24 ones are 24 here also. In 43 you subtracting 24, you will get 19 remain. So 19, this 2 took down means it will be 192. So 24 8s are 192. So we got here 18 is the numerator. So 18 into 1 is 18. So 18 km is the required answer here. So finally you can say that thus it covered 18 km distance in 1 liter of petrol. It is used 1 liter of petrol and covered distance is 18 km. Thank you students.